What is tare, why is it important, and how do I use it?
The tare function on Alicat flow controllers lets the instrument take a detected signal as 0 in either flow or pressure.
A 0 set point results in the closing of the valve and a known no-flow condition. This feature makes the device more accurate by periodically removing any cumulative errors associated with drift. The auto-tare function does this automatically when it receives a 0 set point for more than 2 seconds. It is recommended that the controller be left in the default auto-tare on mode unless your specific application requires that it be turned off. To change the tare settings, go to Menu and then Tares. Here you can toggle auto-tare on and off, as well as set the tare for pressure and flow based off the current readings of each. Alicat's instruments are ready to keep your processes accurate from the start, no matter if changes occur, from Alicat, the fastest flow controller company in the world.